Hi, this is my wig video. Welcome. This unit we're talking about today, it's a very large unit. It's great for large heads.
Hey y'all, it's VaderVengeance. This is Moose. This is Baby Yoda, and I am back with a wig transformation today. What is this wig called? Hold on. So today I have Sensational's Trissa in the color Jade. There are a bunch of other colors on the back of the stock card, and this is what we got in the mail. So I'm starting a brand new segment today, and it is called New Subby Shoutout. So basically it's exactly what it sounds like, and I'm just gonna start shouting out people who subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. Today I'm shouting out both Carmen and Brendan. Hey guys, thank you so much for subscribing to my channel. If you're watching this video, don't forget to comment down below and say hi. Miss Trissa, this wig. So the cap construction is pretty standard. You get the standard 2 combs in the front, 1 in the back, and adjustable straps as you saw in the intro, and it is a center part. As for whether she's big head friendly or not, that remains to be seen. My head is 22 inches. It's kind of fitting snug like around the edges, but for some reason it has enough room in the back for my bun underneath it. So if you have a big head this way, I wouldn't say she's big head friendly, but if you have a big head this way, I would say she's big head friendly. That's a little confusing, but I hope you know what I mean. Jumping straight into the specs, because I'm actually in the middle of filming a movie and I don't have that much time, but I still want to give you guys quality reviews. So, as for shedding and tangling, I did not get, okay, whoop, never mind. Every single time I say,
I didn't get any shedding.
Shedding. You see this? You see this? Shedding. I take that back. I got shedding. I did cut the lace off though, so it's pretty normal to experience a little bit of shedding after cutting the lace. In terms of tangling, this wig is really long. How long is it, Mr. Fox? Well, I would say about 22 inches long. That's just a guess. I have no idea. If you see how far down it comes to my back, I am 5'2", so that's about how long it is. I think it might be even like somewhere around 26 inches. Don't quote me on that, but the point of that was, given how long and how curly this wig is, there will be tangling. Just to demonstrate, okay, I cannot even run my fingers through her. Like as soon as I get in there, they're stuck. So forget about brushing this wig. If you have a comb, I would suggest starting at the bottom and going up, and it might fix the problem. The lace, so this is the color that you're gonna get with the lace here. I would suggest putting a little powder on the lace, or if you're gluing it down, that might help. But for me, I have a wig grip, so I don't usually glue the lace down. I might just put some powder around the edges, but it's kind of blending all right. Even if you don't glue it down, I say you should be pretty good on the lace. However, it is pretty itchy. It's not that soft lace. It's kind of thick lace. Again, that can be solved with a wig grip or a wig cap. Moving on to density. So this wig is kind of thick. I live in California. It is hot right now. So I would definitely recommend this for a fall wig or a winter wig, but if you're going out in the summer, leave this one at home. As I mentioned before, this is a lace center part. I definitely would recommend plucking or putting some powder down in the part there. I'm gonna show you all the results later, ladies and gentlemen, so don't worry. You will see her plucked to perfection later on. If you just wanna wear her out of the pack, I would not suggest doing that. But if you do, this is what you're gonna be getting with the part. You could shift her to the right or the left, to your liking. It doesn't have to be down the center. In terms of the hairline, so this is what you're gonna be getting. It's not the most natural. It is not pre-plucked at all, but if you want to wear hair straight out of the box, this is what you're gonna get. In terms of the feel of this hair, it definitely feels synthetic-y, probably just because of the way the hair was processed with the color. This is a gorgeous green jade color, but you know, when you have a wig like this, it's going going to be processed and the hair is not going to be as soft. If you are all about soft, natural feeling hair, even when it's a synthetic unit, I would suggest getting it in the color 1B or dark brown, just because those wigs aren't usually as processed color-wise. The texture of this wig, I've seen other YouTubers describe it as partly yucky, but I don't know what they're talking about. This wig is silky, okay? If you straighten her, which I will be doing later, so stay tuned, you'll see that the texture of the hair is straight. Now, before I do my wig transformation, I'm gonna give you guys a full 360. So here we go. This is Trissa to the front, to the left side. Oh my god, she's shedding everywhere. To the right side, and to the back. In terms of styling, Trissa is heat safe up to 400 degrees. I will be testing that on this hair, straightening her out, and maybe even cutting her. So we'll see, just stay tuned. Kind of tempted to try and style her in her natural state with the curls and the length, but to me, it's just really, really tangled right now. So I don't know if that's gonna happen. Plus the shedding I am getting with this wig is unreal. But I'm still sure that by cutting it a little bit and straightening it, the tangling problem might stop. So that's pretty much all I have so far. I'm going to go ahead and jump right into the styling / wig transformation. So thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. I will be doing my new subscriber shout out next time, so subscribe for a shout out. Okay, thank you guys. Bye. I was literally just about to straighten this hair because it said it could take up to 400 degrees. I turned my straightener onto 200 degrees and look what happened to the hair. I did not even straighten one strand of this hair and it completely melted off in the straightener. It said it was heat safe up to 400 degrees. Obviously, it is not heat safe up to any degrees. Oh my goodness, you guys, it literally burned the hair off. Look at that. Look at that. Please do not straighten this unit if you have it, because it does not work. Okay, y'all, so this is the hair after I straightened it on 100 degrees. It did say it was heat safe up to 400 degrees, but apparently it is not. So I turned my straightener down to the very lowest setting and it turned out pretty well. So I'm just feeling that this length is way too long for me. I'm thinking about cutting it maybe like up to here, like shoulder length. I think this is super cute and adorable. Just because this is a lot of hair to handle. It does tangle a lot and snag. So I'm thinking if I cut it up to here, it just might be a little bit better in terms of how to manage the hair. But at the same time, like I paid for this wig and it came long. So I kind of feel guilty about cutting off that much length, but it just looks so good short. Like, yes, we'll see.